Haush. Pasun sin watura manikane. Ra. Nuku yushibu sharabu. Wankaru yushibu yubu yushibu. Robusun dasivis shabaraka. Nukundaya shabaraka nuku. Washwana daya kenida. City. Pushari. Ra.
In times of profound changes for mankind and the planet due to the unsustainability of our current way of life on Earth, it is essential to rethink our actions as part of a necessary global transition to a new consciousness. It is time to establish alternative ways of living and relating to each other and the planet, to creatively bring forth new models of sustainable development based on an ethics of care for nature and people. In the Amazon rainforest, one of the world's biologically richest ecosystems, indigenous peoples live in harmony with the natural balance and cycles of the earth since immemorial times. We have much to learn from their ancient knowledge of sustainable living, their unique cultural wealth, and their deep relationship with the sacred in their ancestral traditions, all reminding us of the beauty of human diversity. The Instituto Guardiões da Floresta is a non-profit organization with the mission to empower indigenous communities of the Amazon rainforest. IGF develops and implements projects which aim to perpetuate these people's ancestral knowledge and traditions. Our current projects include film production and book publishing as platforms for safeguarding these people's unique cultural heritage, organization of festivals, exhibitions, and cultural exchanges, perpetuation of native seeds and traditional indigenous medicine, training courses on new sustainable development practices, among others. We believe in the evolution of this work together with those who recognize the importance of the indigenous cause. Thus, we develop and implement our projects in partnership with the private sector as well as both governmental and non-governmental institutions in Brazil and abroad, always seeking to expand this network that will increasingly benefit indigenous people, the forests, and the planet.
Sitting. Push it. House.